What's going on, guys? So today's video is going to be the 4 main reasons why you have no money. So if you're new to this channel, put an emphasis on personal finance and personal growth. I think if your mind is right and your money's right, you're going to accomplish anything in your life. So I'm focused on personal finance and personal growth with this channel. So today's video is going to be the 4 real reasons why you have no money. So let me get into it. So this video is for all my broke people right now. Take these 4 reasons, think about them, apply them to your own life, see if you're guilty in any of these spaces, and then try to correct those mistakes, because we all need a little bit of money in our lives. So I'm gonna give you the 4 reasons. And so the first reason you're broke is actually a mental thing. It comes from your opinion on money, and there's a lot of common beliefs around money, like it's the root of all evil, or when you get it and you have it and you get rich, then you get greedy, or rich people are greedy or snobby. And if you have these thoughts about money, it links to the subconscious mind. So it creates a link in your mind between money and negativity and negative things. So just think about it. If you despise rich people and you think they're jaded, then why would you take the necessary steps to be like them and become rich? It just doesn't make any sense. So that first mistake is really a mental thing, and it comes from your opinion on money. So if you view it as a resource and something that can help you, if you see it as security, as comfort, as luxury, all the things it could be, instead of this thing that comes along with rich people and the negative connotations, then I would take a second to think about money in your life right now, and think about what it could do for you. If it be comfort or safety, security, luxury, pay the bills, go on a vacation. It's really just a resource, it's a tool, and money won't make you a good person or a bad person. It will just make you more of what you already are. So if you're already a good person, then more money will just make you more of a good person. And if you're already a jerk, then more money will just make you more of a jerk. So money is a resource that can really help you in life, and I really believe that the number one difference between rich people and poor people is their mindset about money. So rich people know the power of money and they respect it, and poor people they don't. Reason number 2 why you have no money is you aren't making enough to support your lifestyle. So I've talked about this a little bit already. So this means that your income, what you make, doesn't cover what you spend. So your expenses, your bills, all that. So maybe you spend like you are wealthy and it just hasn't caught up with you yet. But debt will definitely catch up to you in the end. So take a look at your lifestyle in the last 6 months and try to find places where you don't really have to be spending money that you are. So if there are 0 expenses you can eliminate, I suggest you get a higher paying occupation, one that can support your luxurious lifestyle. And if you aren't making enough to support your lifestyle, you might be making some mistakes I mentioned in my last video, which I'll link at the end of this one. So reason number 3 why you have no money is you don't save any money. So it's not about how much you make anymore, it's about how much you save. Because you can make $1 million throughout the year, but if you also spend that $1 million, then you're in a precarious situation. You're no better than somebody who doesn't make any money if you make it all and spend it all. Saving money is a discipline, and it definitely takes time to master. It's just like eating healthy or going to the gym. It has to be consistent, and it's not going to be progress overnight, but if you do it consistently and disciplined, saving money becomes pretty easy. And I suggest start saving 10% of your paycheck and just putting it somewhere where you can't reach it, you can't access it. And reason number 4 is because you don't have a plan, you don't have a blueprint. So without a plan or a blueprint, impulse buying is much more common, and that's unplanned spending just on random things in the moment based off emotion, and that's going to really set you back. This is a really dangerous habit, and it's all fueled by emotion. Just for example, if you have a bad day at work and then you go spend $200 online shopping, it's just because you feel bad about your day at work that you feel like you need to reward yourself and spend a lot of money on yourself. Impulse spending and this instant gratification is really keeping you broke. And if you want to change your financial situation, you have to get it under control. You need to get a grip on this mental connection you have between your emotions and your money. But like I said, it all comes down to having a plan and actually sticking with that plan. So there it is, guys. 4 real reasons why you have no money. And now that you're aware of it, you can adjust your actions to get better results. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you found some value in it. If you did, definitely subscribe to this channel, because I got more content like this coming out in the future. Thanks, guys.